SFDC Developers channel once again. In this video I will show you how to align the page messages alerts in the Lightning. I have already explained the Visualforce page and its code in my previous video. You can click on the link from the top I button. Let me quickly give you the demo. I'm clicking on show error message now. So as you can see, error message in the red background. Similarly, for if I click on warning message, showing in the orange color. So it's basically the lightning style sheet automatically getting applied because I have added the lightning style sheets true attribute for the apex page tag in the Visualforce page. If you notice, the message is at the center of this particular page. Sometimes you need to show this message start of the page, so there is no particular document or the attribute is available to set this message at the right side or the left side of the screen. So you can just have the CSS to override this behavior. So for that you need to just right click on this particular red color division. Once you click on it, you should be landed on the division plus something called message error M3. If you click on show warning and right click on the similar section, you should see the message warning. Similarly, for the info, there is a different class, it's called info M3. So for each of these messages, Salesforce automatically add the class for that particular section. So let's say I want to move this message at the left side of the screen for the error messages. So make sure you are clicked on this division class having the message error M3, and on the right side you can add the CSS stuff like justify content to left. Now you can see the message text has been moved to the left side, but wait, it's not saved under our Visualforce page. We need to apply it for the message error M3 class. So let's do that. I'm just copying this particular class now. So we are going to override the style of the lightning styles we are having already. Under the style opening and closing tag, I'm adding my CSS. So you can do this by message.error M3, and I'm setting justify content set to left. So once I click on save, I have saved the Visualforce page, and now I'm clicking on show error button. You can see the message has moved to left section, but if I click on show warning, it's showing as the middle of the screen. Why? Because we have only applied this style to work for the error related notifications, that is messages. It will not work for the info or the show confirm. If you want to apply this particular CSS for all of the types, you need to remove this error M3, and once you click on save, let's check if it's working or not. Yeah, it's not working. Why? Because justify content value is being overridden by the another class, that is error M3, warning M3, info M3 and confirm M3. These are the classes for these types. So what to do now? You just need to add important attribute. This is the attribute you can see for the justify content left. So if I click on save, it should work now. Let's check. Yeah, it's working fine, and now it's working for all type of messages. So I am removing this particular justify content as of now. So it's again back to at the middle of this page. I'm clicking on this particular division. Make sure you are on the division class message. Clicked on this particular division, and if I set division justify content to end, okay, flex end. So you can either use flex end or flex start. Instead of left, you can set flex start or the flex end. Anything you can set play around with the values over here. So let's coming back to our original code in the VF. I'm just putting back the CSS, and now instead I'm having the left value. I am setting the value as flex end. So now you can see it's moved to the right side of the page. If you want to stick with the left side, then you can use flex start, and it's for all type of the messages. So this is how you can play around with the CSS and uh, justify the content where you want. Thank you.